The entire house floor is renovated. The guest bedroom is renovated and we have constructed a bathroom that has access from the guest bedroom. The old stairs are renovated with glass railing and wooden handrail. On the first floor, kids' bedroom and master bedroom are renovated. The old wardrobes here are replaced with new one, and also we have added new wardrobes with bay window seating arrangement. Take a look at the newly renovated master bathroom. The premium brand bathroom fittings are installed. The highlight in this bathroom is installation of shower panel as per the client's requirement. The vanity cabinet is installed below the wash basin. Kids' bedroom wardrobe is renovated this way with sufficient storage space and unique color combination. Balcony floor is renovated and the old balcony wall is replaced with glass and stainless steel railing. Both internal and external painting is done for the entire house. So, this is about the 30 years old load-bearing home renovation that is located in Bungalows, Bangalore. For old home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on old home renovation, architectural construction and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.